Ozow pricing explained what you get for your money. Ozow is a fast-growing payment gateway, but most people get this wrong. They assume pricing is a simple flat fee. The surprising truth is that Ozow charges based on transaction type, volume, and payment method. For most businesses, Ozow offers a per-transaction fee that can start around 1.5% to 2% for standard bank transfers. You won't believe how flexible this is. High-volume merchants may negotiate lower fees, while smaller sellers can take advantage of pay-as-you-go pricing. There are no setup or monthly fees, which makes it accessible for startups and small businesses. Certain features, like instant settlement or premium fraud protection, may come with additional costs. Most people get this wrong by focusing only on the base fee. They overlook optional services that can save money long-term or protect against chargebacks. In conclusion, Ozow pricing is designed for flexibility and scalability. By understanding transaction fees, optional add-ons, and volume discounts, you go from zero to pro in managing payment costs while keeping your business secure and efficient.